That is. This just looks and sounds. It's happening. We have Apple Vision Pro and we have Zeiss inserts for my increasingly dodgy eyes. First of all, I did open this the other day when it arrived, but I wanted you guys to appreciate this as well. The unboxing experience of the Zeiss prescription inserts. Very cool. So let's get these open. These are our lenses. We'll save those for later. Now to the main feature. Very nice. Obviously, to be expected at this point. All right. Okay, so peels off. Beautiful. All right. Yeah, this is very cool. Take that insert out of there. Oh, this looks insane. I'm upside down in the lenses there in my reflection. But yeah, this is, I don't know, it's smaller than I thought it was going to be, in a way. You hear all these people talking about how heavy it is and how tiring it is to wear. Sometimes it actually looks pretty small and compact. It doesn't feel too heavy. Obviously it's got some weight to it there. Let's take the this front cover off. Wow, that is very cool. That just looks futuristic. There's no other word for that, but futuristic. All the cameras, all the sensors, just the machining of this. It is absolutely insane. Pop that down there. Take this out. Designed by Apple in California. Polishing cloth. Beautiful polishing cloth. Very nice. Light seal cushion. A nice booklet. Nothing unfamiliar here for everyone that's been anticipating this for so long. I can't believe it's finally here. Over a year ago it was announced, and finally here. Okay, so we've got the dual loop band. Just nicely put away in there. That's a medium dual loop band. Surprised it isn't a large. Then we have USB-C braided beautiful cable. The the wall adapter, charger, and the battery. Yeah, that's a serious piece of kit as well. Lovely. There we go. I'm just I'm afraid, even with the polishing cloth, I just don't really want to spoil the front of this device. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's pop these in. Or maybe we should read the getting started guide. How about that? Why don't we just do the full, read the guide, follow the guide, enjoy the moment. These things do not happen often. Getting started, put the battery in a secure place close to you. Attach the power cable, rotate to turn it on, and then attach the inserts. Okay. Here we go. So battery out of the way over here. Let's lovely. And the inserts will clip in. Satisfying click. Very cool. Take these off. Adjust the displays. If prompted, press and hold the digital crown to align the displays. Release if you feel contact with your nose. Okay, and then continue with the phone. All right, so because we're recording this with the phone as well, I'm going to do the first part of this. Okay, I've got to press and hold to align. That is, yeah, that's nice. Okay, okay, now we've got an Apple logo floating in front of me, and okay, yeah, hello. That's that's insane. Okay, so I've got to press the digital crown. And what you are obviously not seeing here is that I'm looking at my room, and for a second I didn't even clock that I'm looking through the displays, through the cameras and the screens at my room. It genuinely does just feel like I'm looking in my room, and this stuff is floating in front of me. That's amazing. I'm just enjoying these bonjour, all these animated welcome messages in 3D just hovering in front of me. Okay, let's tap the digital crown to start. Language region selector, so English, UK, setting the language, and bring iPhone or iPad nearby to get started. All right, so let's switch over to the phone, which means this shot is going to go away, and continue with the setup. All right, to set up your Apple Vision Pro, your Apple ID settings need attention. Perfectly able to sign in with the phone using the Vision Pro. Look here with Apple Vision Pro, I've got a QR code. Now I've got a circular progress indicator, Complete. Excellent. Look at your code to pair your optical inserts. Detecting and complete. A little square video floating in front of me, welcoming me and telling me how to navigate Vision OS. Alright, so I'm going to set up Apple Vision Pro for my eyes and hands. Press the crown. Look at your hands to set up. Okay, hand setup complete. Adjusting lighting. Everything goes dim for a moment. Look at the dot and tap your fingers together to select it. That's nice. The dot floats up to the top of the screen. Okay, so now I've got 6 dots. Select all the dots around the circle. This just looks and sounds beautiful. So now we have persona, beta, capture how you'll appear in FaceTime and other calls and personalize eyesight. Okay, so we're going to leave it here for setting up the persona. I want to prepare a little more for that, make myself look nice. And yeah, this has just been an amazing onboarding experience, as you would expect from Apple. The graphics in front of me, they're rock solid. They're floating in my space. There's little subtle drop shadows that really make me feel like there's an opaque glass rectangle hanging in my room, just 9 inches above the floor. It's hovering over the Apple Vision Pro box that it came delivered in, and looking around, okay, I can see that it's a digital video feed that I'm looking at, but honestly, it's mind-blowingly good. I cannot wait to experience some spatial videos and immersive experiences in this, and share some of those experiences as best I can with you guys. So until next time, take it easy, and I will catch you again soon.